Hi, my name is Therese, and this is my 112 term project. My term project is an archery training program geared towards those who don't have the option of hiring a coach or attending a club. When you first open the program, you're taken to the home screen. When you're taken to the home page, you have the option of choosing one of the 4 main features or the help guide. The help guide allows you to read about the goal of the program and a little bit about each feature. Once you finish reading about each feature, you have the option to go back to the home page. This button appears at the bottom right corner of every page. So the first feature we'll look at is Score a 300. A 300 is a competition length round for professionals. The first thing that you see appear is a box telling the user how to input their score. So when you see this, the first box is highlighted, and the highlighted box tells you which current arrow you're at. And so to input a score, you click the value, so let's say 8, and you select enter. This will store the value and we'll move on to the next arrow. So if we finish filling in this row, you'll see that the row has its own score, and there's also a running total score. Along with that, we can physically place arrows on a target, and the program will automatically score it for us. Another option that the user has is the Connect screenshot. When this activates, another box tells the user how to use the Connect screenshot. So when the Connect opens up, it'll draw on the joints of each user, and so it'll show you each joint point and the segments between them. To take a screenshot, you press the space bar, and a box will tell you how to name it. So we'll name it Test. And so we can save it now. And in order to end the screenshot mode, you press escape. From here, we can either continue filling in the score and save it as a result, or we can go back to the home page. In order to show that you can save past scores, there are a few scores that I've practiced on my own, and you can press select, and you can see that it shows the arrow value, how many times that value has been landed, and the percentage out of it. It also shows you the total and the date that this was taken at. So now that we have a past image to look at, we can go and we see we named it as Test. So we can go back, select it, and now we can compare it to a professional. Each professional has their own joint structure, and so that's why they're all each an option. So let's just pick Brady Ellison. Now there's a side-by-side comparison photo. So now right here, there's an improvements box. So this improvement box might not mean much, but until you understand what it means. So here's a physical diagram showing you your horizontal center and your vertical center. So when you click each button, it'll explain to you through arrows and a brief text about how to improve and why it helps. If you go back, it'll show you that you can draw on the incorrect joints. And so now, the highlighted blue joints are what are incorrect, and the joints that remain the same color are correct. So now we can go back to the home page and see the last feature, the profile. In the profile, you can type in something you want to change. So say we bought a different bow. We can change it, and now that data will stay the same. And this will always allow users to adjust the equipment they have. And so that's my term project. Thank you for watching.